scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Coyote size is changing fast in this population, and we need to find the best biological explanation for this shift. Let's solve this evolution puzzle together. Consequently, smaller coyotes had lower survival and reproductive rates than larger ones. This means the genes for larger size were passed on more frequently, making option B the correct. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs of Lamarckian myths and avoid rush. Trust given data and check steps carefully.